Hi dear sir, this is our QLQ disposable face mask, a yellow welding machine, 1-point welding model. And now our technician is testing this machine. We will test the machine for our customer before its shipment, because we also make mask cutting machine in our own factory, so we can use those mask samples. You can see these samples are made by our cutting machine. We will use this sample to test this yellow welding machine, and we test many samples just now already. Now let our technician show you how to use this machine. First, put the mask in here, and then push this step. You can see here is one step. Then the machine will weld the yellow like this. You can see, put the yellow and mask in here, and then push the step. Then the machine will weld the yellow. Because this is 1-point model, so the machine will weld the yellow one point each time. You can see the strength of the mask is good. You can see, and this is our nameplate. You can see the output of this machine is about 300 to 400 pieces per hour, and the machine size is about 0.8 length and 0.65 width and 1.4 meter height. If you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for your watching.